short little video here. Somebody asked me the other day what this bracket or buckle, or I can't remember what they said is on here. I can't remember your name, I'm sorry, it started with a J. But anyways, you asked what it is. Well, this is where I hang my impact. This is my impact driver. Got a Hitachi, or I guess it's called now Hikoki. But it's got this bracket on it. I hope the camera's focusing on that. It's kind of like a loop with a bit of a bend in it. And you just put it on like that, and it's on there. Can't come off. And then take it off, you just, because this little bend here really helps with that. So you just put it on, and then to get it off, you just lift it up and push it down, and it comes right off. It's a great little unit, love it. And the advantage of this over like putting your impact in a pouch or something is it can't fall out. I mean, it can't, you know, you're moving around doing whatever, can't fall off. Love it. Great little job. Don't know the name of the company or whatever, but they make them for different brands of drivers here in Japan, and it's great. So I've got this wire here. I want to put the paneling on here flush, and there's going to be a ceiling with a drop, so I can hide this wire into the ceiling. This wire I can't. So I'm going to just put a little groove in here, and this is like incredibly complicated wiring against a whole rat's nest of wires in there. So I have a very old buggered up carbide blade here, so if I hit something here that wrecks the blade, I don't really care. The major problem here is that this, it's not concrete, because here it's hollow, but it's, that should work. That'll sit back there nicely. Okay, it's Thursday night. 6 o'clock, 6:15, and I'm just packing it in for the day. Long day, good day. I got all the walls done. Walls are all done. Had some interesting problems, so I got a little bit of a rant to go on here. Yeah, the tape that I've been using, this double-sided tape stuff, let me show you something. Hang on a second. Okay, this is the tape that I've always used. It's branded Nitoms Pro Self. This is the one that I've always used. Works great. This is the one that I picked up at the hardware store. Just, you know, I thought it was the same thing. Not branded. Also, the tape is about 1 millimeter narrower than the real stuff, and I don't know if that shows up in camera, but this is the real stuff, this is the off-brand, and the color of this is really close, but it's not quite the same. What's the problem? Well, I've had a few spots where the tape didn't hold. Like, I've done hundreds of these frickin' panels, you know, the kitchen panels and everything else too, and usually it's not a problem, the tape holds. But I had a number of spots where it popped off the wall. And I mean, my walls are pretty flat. I mean, I worked hard at shimming them out and stuff. So what I did was, on the side that would pop, like here, I would stick a thin pry bar into there and pry it open, and I'd splooge in a bunch of the glue, and then I've stuck this as a piece of waste material, and I pin nailed it here on the joint. So the pin nails are in the joint. So after so that's holding that in place now, because they were all popped out. I mean, there and there, and over there, and down there. I mean, what the hell? Not impressed, guys. So anyways, I guess you got to make sure you buy the right stuff. So this room is basically done to the walls. I got to do all the caulking, which is what I'm going to probably end up doing tomorrow. I was thinking of doing the ceiling, but I think I'd rather actually get the caulking out of the way. The only thing I couldn't get here in Izu was the corner pieces. They didn't have them in stock. I know they got them in Tokyo, so I'll buy some of these, because I got to put a corner here, a corner there, and these are outside corners, and a corner here. The inside corners I just caulk. That's not a problem. But yeah, this has turned out quite well. You can see that wire is hidden now, and I'm quite pleased with it. And I'm ready to get back to Tokyo, sit in my own bed. I'll do one more video tomorrow, I'm sure. But I just wanted to thank everybody for following along and watching and commenting. It makes a big difference for me when I have people commenting on these videos, because then I can interact, because I am kind of all by my lonesome down here in Izu. And yeah, some of the comments are great, and you know, I got some great suggestions on how to do things maybe a bit differently than I would normally do them. Wonderful, man. Really appreciate it, all you guys. Anyways, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends. Take care. Bye-bye.